Oppo silently launches Reno8t. Oppo Reno8t. This smartphone brings a 6.43 inches AMOLED with 90 Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. It comes with 180 Hz touch sampling rate and Gorilla Glass 5 on top. The 32MP selfie camera sits in the upper left corner inside a punch hole. There are 3 more cameras at the back. Oppo doesn't reveal the details of the 100MP main shooter, but if that's its native resolution it would be a first in the industry. The other 2 units are a 2MP depth sensor and a 2MP macro cam. There is a ring light around the main camera that can double as a customizable notification light. On the inside, we have a Helio G99 chipset and a single memory option, 256 of a gigabyte. There is a microSD slot for extra storage. The Reno8t comes with a 5000 mAh battery and Super VOOC fast charging. The company did not say exactly what the rate is, so we assume it is the lowest possible for this branding, 33 watts. Other connectivity options include a 3.5mm audio jack on the bottom, a USB-C port, Bluetooth 5.3, and support for all major GNSS. The operating system is Color OS 13, based on Android 13. The Reno8t comes in 2 colors, Basic Starlight Black and Leather Sunset Orange. The price is set at VND 8.49 million, which translates to $365.